Alright, I'm at the Henny Penny station over here in Mystic. And I'm doing a camera inspection for Pascolini Construction. I have the camera in the pipe right now. I'm in the, there's a sewer trap outside in the parking lot. I'm going from that sewer trap, and right now I'm back in the building. So I camera inspected from the trap into the building. What we're looking at is the bottom of a toilet inside the gas station itself. That's what that white circle is in the center of the screen. That's actually the bottom of the toilet bowl. So I'm going to start pulling the camera back into the sewer trap now. Okay, that was a 90-degree bend. So the pipe appears to be old cast iron. It's pretty sludgy. There's a decent amount of scale. There's some back pitches and stuff as well. Right now we're in a back pitch, we're underwater. And let me see. That starts right here about the 10-foot mark. We start, that's just all sludge right there. It's all sludge. So instead of a 4-inch pipe, on the top of that sludge there, you might have a, looks to be about a 1-inch opening. It's pretty nasty. I think the pipe was actually clogged in this spot, and I just poked through it with my camera, to be honest. Yeah, it's just an opening the size of my camera. That's all tissue, possibly even cotton products from the bathroom. So she's nasty. Then we're back under that belly again. So without a doubt, I'm going to recommend cleaning this pipe with a jetter. It's just sludged up and scaled up pretty good. So there's our sewer trap. Reset my distance here. Now I'm going to start camera inspecting it out towards the city sewer. We're in another belly. So basically what this really is the trap is sitting level. That's how sewer traps are laid. You know, they sit level. So the pipe is also sitting level for a ways until it starts pitching again. So here we go, around 8'5", we come out of the water. Same thing, 4-inch cast iron. This has a mic, I'm not talking to myself. Everything appears to be draining really well going out to the city sewer. So the issues here with the drainage are going to be the trap itself and between the trap and the building. I mean, as we speak, it looks like it's clogged between the trap and the building. So that's just some sludge, a little bit of a belly in the pipe.
Hey, Adam. Good, you? How are you making out?
Good. Are you the guy I talked to on the phone?
No.
Okay.
I don't know who you talked to on the phone.
I'll let you know in a second.
Okay.
So if you hear me talking to myself, this actually is recording me. That's why. I'm not insane. So I'm most likely not going to be able to push the camera all the way to the city sewer because of the roughness of the piping. After it's cleaned, I probably will be able to, though. That's about max there. So I'm going to recommend a jetting here. and if possible, eliminating this sewer trap and replacing it with an outside clean out.